Attention Durango in-town buyers, Durango, Colorado. I'm super excited to present this home to you. I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you should buy this home. First is location, the second is views, and the third is being right next to the river. It is steps away to one of the best put-ins in entire Durango, Colorado. Many people want it all, but very few can have it. Very few people can be on the river with views in the perfect location, being in town Durango. Few properties have that. And so I'm super excited to walk you through this home, and we're gonna highlight the extraordinary pieces of this home. We're gonna highlight the location and why this is the perfect location to be. We're also gonna talk about the views. So let's go check it out, let's go. All right, so if you do not like stairs, then this is not the house for you. This house has stairs just to get to the front door, so I don't wanna waste your time. If you don't like it, go ahead and exit out of the video. Still give us a like and subscribe. But what I will say, without the stairs, you will not have the views, all right? So if you don't mind a little bit of stairs in exchange for some amazing views and to keep you in shape, keep you nice and young, let's go check it out, come on. All right, so cherish the little moments that make each day special. All right, we've got a quote right here. Just wanted to encourage you with that word, so let's go ahead and dive into the house. So as you come in, we are actually in the living room, right? Big open concept into the kitchen. You can have your TV room here, you can have your hangout room here, but this is, as right when you come in, you got the open space, which is great. And then we come into the sunroom, which is one of my favorite parts of this house actually, is this unique sunroom. It could be a coffee kind of breakfast nook, it could be a formal dining room, but either way it's open to the kitchen, which is great. This could be your reading room, yoga room, a lot of different options for this right here, which is nice. But we do have a bedroom right here, guest bedroom, which is right here. It's not a huge room, but obviously it does its purpose, right? This is where you sleep, you rest, you recharge, and this is where you dream your dreams. So that's the important part. So you have the kitchen, so you go from carpet to tile, and then the views here. The views here are absolutely amazing. You can go ahead and cook and look out on the river. You got about 2.5 miles of river view, which is great. Into the valley, you can look almost not all the way across the valley, but a great view of that, which is awesome. You also have, so the Animas Valley, and then to our kind of like, I would say west-ish, is the Animas Mountain, which is another great hiking trail, which is right across the road in the river. And then you have the Animas River Trail that goes all the way through town, all the way taking you out to the hospital. So if you want to go on bike rides, you got a nice lit trail for those who want access to the river trail. So kitchen, you have your granite countertops, which is awesome. You also have the like nice big cabinets all the way up to the ceiling. So here is your bathroom that services the main floor. Or my favorite part is actually it's a steam shower, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But newly tiled steam shower. So after those cold ski days, snowboarding days, being out in the mountains, sledding days, cross-country skiing, snowmobiling, you name it, any winter sport, cold fall mornings, you can go ahead, or maybe you do a cold plunge in the river, you walk up and get in your steam shower. Not too shabby. Picture the day that you are sitting here next to the fireplace, reading your favorite book, favorite novel, or maybe you're journaling, writing a book, and you got views of the river. It's nice and peaceful and quiet inside the home in downtowns, which is nice. Picture the day that your kids or your grandkids run up to you and say, thank you so much for giving us this home in Colorado where we can go ride our bikes and ski and snowboard and do all the fun stuff, the outdoor activities. They can fly fish right out their back door. That's pretty sweet. Picture the day that your spouse turns to you and says, thank you so much for buying this house in Colorado. We made the right decision. So I believe that this can be the perfect home for you. I believe that there will be memories made here, and I believe that this is just the beginning of something great when you make that decision to buy this house. So let's go check out the rest of the house. So as we go upstairs, we actually are hitting a spiral staircase. So it could be a little old school for you, but I like it because it doesn't take up too much room, and it also takes you to where the views are. So let's go check out the master. All right, so we are actually on a glass platform. which is pretty sweet. I like it personally. You kind of see below, and it kind of gives you the jitters of like, oh my gosh, is this gonna break through? It's actually not. It's been approved by the city, so you could probably jump around on this and be okay. But it's a great office space, I think. I would put my standing desk here, and I would just look at the Animas mountain all day, and then also look at the river. It's absolutely gorgeous. So as we come into the second bedroom, it's upstairs, which is, I like it because it has great views, great storage space. A bedroom, it does what you want it to do. It could be a workout room, it could be another office. I think there's a lot of opportunity here, just depending on what your needs are. And then the bathroom that services it is right next to it. Finally, I'm gonna show you the master. So this is the master, pretty spacious. I wouldn't say it's absolutely huge, but it is spacious. And my favorite part is that it walks out onto the deck. So the views out this way, you got about probably, I don't know how far that is, but you can see all the way across the valley into County Road 250. We'll go out this way. So here it is. This is where you can come out and sip on your morning coffee. You can come out in the evening or in the middle of the night. Maybe you need to see some stars and you want to get a nice clear view of the stars at night. You can put your telescope out here and you can just go ahead and look all the way out. Actually, right now there is an eagle landing. That's the eagle landing. There's 2 eagles that live on that tree about, I would say, maybe 200 yards, and an eagle just landed out there, which is pretty sweet. So you do see a lot of wildlife because we are so close to the river. You have deer constantly coming through here. There's a deer trail that walks right through the back. And these eagles, like I said, live here. So you can watch them land, you can watch them take off, you can watch them go hunting and catch the fish. They'll teach you how to fish if you don't know how. So here we are in the master bath, and it's a bathroom. It does what you want it to do. If you want something massive, you could probably blow out this wall and make it a lot bigger, a lot nicer, give you that standing tub, all that kind of stuff. But this services the average, I wouldn't say average, but this services what you would need in a bathroom, right? This gives you actually a lot of natural light, and it gives you the closet space. So a kind of unique closet, but it is a closet, and not very many people get windows in their closet. I actually think it's great because you could have a powder room here, you could have a mirror here, and you're getting a lot of natural light so you can see what you really look like instead of getting, dressed in the dark. So as you come downstairs, you actually had this spiral staircase, like tiled out stairway, which is pretty sweet. I love it. It kind of makes you feel like you're going into like a castle or something like that, or into a secret passageway. So I think it's pretty sweet, but let's go check it out downstairs and see what the space could be. I believe that this space could actually be a few things. So it could actually be another bedroom. So it's not technically labeled as a bedroom. You have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. This could be your 4th bedroom, 4th bath if you wanted to build it out like that. So it also has its own entranceway. It used to be used as an office, like a main office. And so you could actually have this be like a separate mother-in-law, and you close that door out, and maybe you wanted to maybe you wanted to rent it out long term. Maybe you have kids that are home from college and you want them to have their own space. Maybe you want your parents to have their own space and have the master on the main. These are all possibilities. But if this was my home, I would probably make this into one of 2 things. Either my office space, or which my office space would actually have a nice big simulator for golf. It would have my golf simulator right here. It would have a nice big TV with some workout equipment, and I can go golf, workout, and it would have a kitchenette right there, and then my office, sit-down office, standing office would be right behind you where you guys are at. I'll show you that here in a second. So that would be that, or I would turn it into a rental space where you could rent out long-term, or have it be somewhere, that you had your family come and stay when they stay. So as you come in, you actually have just the office space down here. So this is literally his office. So this could be your office. It could be the separate entrance. It could be part of the kitchenette. And you have all of this storage right here. So you can get really creative with what you wanted to do with the space. Maybe you wanted a knitting room, a sewing room, a little winery. Maybe you wanted a man cave, woman cave, whatever you want to call it. And then this actually goes to the complete outside. So it does have its own separate entrance. All right, so here we are outside in a nice little backyard. You got nice grass, but you do have a great deck. The deck is huge, probably about close to 2,000 square feet, I would say, all the way around. It wraps all the way around the house pretty much, which is awesome. So views almost 360, pretty close, northeast, southwest. But what I love about this space is this is where I would put a hot tub. I would sit in the hot tub right here and just look out over the river, look at the Animas mountain. I would look down the river in the Animas Valley, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I would have an outdoor sauna right next to it with my cold plunge, and I would do all of those things every single morning and maybe even evening. But this is just the perfect space. This is great for outdoor living space, so you can have your chairs, your barbecues, your friends, all of that entertaining, which would be awesome. All right, so we are right next to the river, which I absolutely love. This is 2 miles of gold fishing, so it actually means like gold medal fishing. This is some of the best fishing in the world in the Animas River, and you can literally, you could throw a rock and hit it. I mean, I played college baseball, but you could have a horrible arm and still throw it into the river. That's how close you are. Just build a nice little pathway down to it, and you could go fly fish, you could paddleboard, you could kayak, you could raft. Everything is right here. This is actually the most popular put in the entire Durango, Colorado. This is off of 32nd Street. During the summer, you get the main street down there, not next on your street, but the main street gets packed with cars every single summer because this is the spot and this place to be. You have Oxbow, which is right up the way. It's kind of like your own little sandbar of beach frontage in Durango, Colorado. And then across the way, like I said, is the Animas Valley River Trail that goes all the way down to Walmart. So you have access to the river trail. City Market is less than, I mean, can't throw a rock there, but you're pretty darn close. You could walk to City Market in about 3 minutes, probably 5. You could ride a bike there in a minute. You're super close to City Market for shopping, which is great. Everything is here. If you had an e-bike, you literally could live in Durango, Colorado right here and never have to even drive a car, right? So everything is here, which is really, really nice. You are closer to the north, going north, so you're closer to the hot springs, you're closer to Dalton Ranch Golf Course, Glacier Golf Course, and the ski resort, which is probably about 25 minutes. All right, I said the views are here, and this is the view, right? Absolutely gorgeous. It is breathtaking. This is what people think of when they think of Colorado. You're on the edge of not very much. There's not very much here. You got great views. Like I said, the eagle just landed behind us. You have the geese in the river, ducks in the river, fish. You have deer scat all over this yard, which means they're here, right? And it is absolutely breathtaking. So to be able to take in these views every single morning, this could be a place where you write your book. This could be the place where you get away to and get away from the busyness and the craziness of the city. This could be the place where you make the memories with your family. I truly believe that this home is a special home, and I'm excited for the right buyer to come along. So if you've liked this video, go ahead and subscribe and comment. If you're interested in this home, go ahead and give us a call directly. My cell phone is 970-710-1230, 970-710-1230. I'll leave a link below, and all the information for the home is down below. So this home's gonna go fast, so make sure you don't miss it, because it is the opportunity to get a piece of Colorado, yet having everything you need in your back pocket. We'll see you on the next video.